Hello friends and welcome back. Today in this video we'll solve this problem and it is if Sn is equal to n square plus 20n plus 12 where n is the positive integers, then what is the sum of all possible values of n for which Sn is a perfect square. So here they have mentioned that Sn, the values of Sn will be a square, perfect square. Then we'll have to find the values of all n's value and we'll have to add the values of all n. So friend, hope you have understood the problem. Now let's come to the solution of this problem. So here we have Sn is equal to, it is given n square plus 20n plus 12. So here it is a perfect square, so let us take this as a x square. Now for making this as a perfect square, this value should also be in the form of square, perfect square. Now let us take this as a square, so it is a square and 20n as 2 times ab plus, and the number value should be also be square, means b square. Now it is given here, it is n square and we will make this 20n is 2 times n times 10, so it is 20n. Now we have 10 as a b, so we will write 10 square. So we have added 10 square, so we'll subtract 10 square also, and it is plus 12 here, so we'll write plus 12 and that is equal to x square. Now we'll simplify this expression and it is in the form of a plus b whole square, so we'll write n plus 10. 10 is our b and n is a, so it is square. And now we'll solve this. This is negative 100 and plus 12, so it is negative 88, and that is equal to x square. So again we have square and right hand side also square, so we'll take this right hand side square in the left hand side, so it will be negative x square. So n plus 10 and its square minus x square. Now we'll take this 88 in the right hand side, so it is plus 88. So here again it is in the form of a square minus b square, a square minus b square type form, and the formula of a square minus b square is a plus b times a minus b, a minus b. So now we write it here. So in place of a it is n plus 10, n plus 10, and plus b means plus x multiplied by n plus 10 and minus b means minus x, so minus x, and that is equal to 88. And here in the questions they have mentioned n is the positive integers, therefore x should also be a positive integer only. Now being the x as a positive integers, then the whole term value should be integers and this term will be also be a integer. And now for making further solutions we will compare this. If we'll add these product values, means n plus 10 plus x, and we have in the next is plus n plus 10 and minus x. So here x and x gets cancelled, so we have 2 times n plus 10. So 2 times n plus 10 will always be a positive integer because n is the integers. We have n is a positive integer, so plus 10 will also be integer and it is 2 times, so this value will always even number. So being this number will even number, so friend, being the addition of two values and even, the both should either be even, both should be either even or odd, because any odd or even will not be any odd number. So friend, these two values should be. So friend, here we have come to conclusion that we have two solutions. Either this value should be even and even, or this one should be odd and odd, so that their addition should be any even number. So any one of these could not be even or odd, and 88 is a even number only. So now we have n plus 10 plus x, so this value, and that is multiplied by n plus 10 minus x, that is equal to 88. So now we will factorize this 88 in terms of even. So 88 in terms of even, we have two sets, that is 44 and 2. All of these are even number, and second one is 22 and 4, the multiplication of this is 88. So we have two sets of even product of 88. And one more case, the value of this term means the value of n plus 10 plus x should always be greater than n plus 10 minus x, because we have x and n are positive integers. So the value of this term will be more than this one. So the value of this term will be either 44 or 22, and for 44 this value will be 2, and for 22 this value will be 4. So friend, hope till here everything is clear. Now for further solutions we'll write in the next page. So here we have copied down the last page informations. Now we'll put this value as 44. So now case 1. So here it is n plus 10 plus x, that is equal to 44 for the first case, and the value of this term is 2. So it is n plus 10 minus x is equal to 2. Now the second case, here it is n plus 10 plus x, n plus 10 plus x, the second case is equal to 22, and for here it is 4. So it is n plus 10 minus x, that is equal to 4. Now we'll solve it. Now if we'll add this, we can cancel x and x. So here 2 times n plus 10, that is equal to 44, and 2 is 46. So the value of n plus 10 will be 46 divided by 2, 23. So from here the value of n is equal to 23 minus 10, that is 13. So we have n is equal to 13 for the first case. Now from here again we'll add this, and here x and x cancels. So it is 2 times n plus 10 similarly, that is equal to, and here 22 plus 4 is 26, and here n plus 10. So n plus 10 will be 26 divided by 2, that is 13, and so here n will be 13 minus 10 is 3. So we have two solutions of n. So here we have two possible values of n. One is 13 and another is 3. So here in the questions they have mentioned to find the all possible values of n and sum of this n. So we have 13 and 3. So the sum of this is 16. So the sum of the n's are 16. This is our answer of the questions. So friend, hope this video was very useful and informative to you. If you like the video, do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching the video.